Hi, how are you?
14, sir?
K and J. Oh, perfect.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're continuing our trip from Hong Kong International Airport or HKIA to Bangkok, Thailand with Thai Airways in first class. Overall, Hong Kong Airport was very clean and in pristine condition. Comparatively to Los Angeles, this airport by far is superior in terms of accessibility, seating space, seating comfort, and cleanliness, all of which makes the travel experience so much better. We have just finished exploring the American Express Centurion Lounge and Kyra Lounge, which was formerly known as the Chase Sapphire Lounge. I recommend watching our in-depth review of those lounges. You can watch our video on our channel. We have a short early morning flight today. We're headed over to Gate 18, which is located on the other end of the airport. Between every 3 gates, there are separated men and female toilet stations, as well as family rooms. There are also cold and hot water stations for drinking. Our flight from Hong Kong to Bangkok will be a quick 2 hours and 40 minutes. While navigating to Gate 18, we enjoyed the scenery. The airport features floor-to-ceiling panoramic glass views of the stunning Hong Kong mountains. The video captured on my camera does not do the beauty of the Hong Kong mountains justice, as they appear more larger in person. Unfortunately, our gate was located on the other end of the airport at Gate 18. We took some time to get there, maybe about 10 minutes, rushing towards our gate. The journey took us to traversing through a total of 3 long steep escalators, which I have never encountered in any airport, which makes this experience unique. Cathay Pacific is Hong Kong's flagship airline. For example, United Airlines and American Airlines are US-based carriers. Cathay Pacific is the signature airline based in Hong Kong. One of the flight staff actually flagged us down to escort us to our gate, as we were the last passengers to board. Now I can say that the staff at Hong Kong Airport are very courteous, friendly, and helpful.
Check-in free package in total?
3.
For the lady, 2 for gentlemen, 1 for the lady.
Yes, thank you. Step on the foot pin.
Just step on the footprint and look at camera. Thank you. One by one.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We'll see how you land. Hi. How are you? Oh,
Thank you so much. Okay,
thank you.
What team, sir?
K&J. Perfect. Please serve it back.
The cushion for the seats are very soft, and I was quite impressed with the material. I thoroughly enjoyed my time on Thai Airways Airbus A320. A thick warm blanket was available, as well as an extra pillow for lumbar support. For reference, I am a 5'8", 205 pounds male, and a decent amount of leg space was available in first class. I didn't feel cramped on the flight.
Thailand on exposed path of infectious
Drinks were served within 10 minutes of boarding, with both alcohol and non-alcoholic drinks.
Thank you.
enjoy.
Breakfast was served for this flight. I opted for the scrambled eggs with potatoes and sausage, which was accompanied with a variety of fruits, yogurt, chocolates, and a croissant, while Nancy had the chow mein with chickpeas and the same sides. The food was overall acceptable, which is the most case for airplane food. But the star of the flight was the seat cushion, which was very comfortable. Nancy was full from eating at the American Express Centurion and Kyra lounges. However, I am a different breed. I can eat 10 meals a day if the opportunity provided itself, which was today. On the side note, the airplane staff were very friendly and attentive. As for the airline capacity, the flight was at most half full. As you can see in the background, most seats were empty. The scrambled eggs and sausage were good. Nothing special. This is definitely something I would eat in the morning that will keep me satisfied. Overall, I rate the food a 7 out of 10 and the hard product a 8.5 or even a 9 out of 10, especially because the staff are so welcoming, warm, and friendly. Thai Airways Airbus A320 gets a 4 out of 5 stars. Join us on our next video in Bangkok, Thailand. We will be staying at the DoubleTree from Hilton. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. See you guys soon. Thanks for watching.